Our live coverage continues of preparations for the massive winter storm. Mike Hsu is live with how Marylanders are getting ready. Hi, Mike.
Well, hi, Lynn. Hello, everybody. You know, this is going to be a big deal, and if you want to know how to deal with 2 feet of snow, you ask someone who's lived through it. I talked to a guy from New England this morning, and here was his advice. Hunker down, have a good time, and wait for the roads to clear. We got a little tune-up last night. Cars got coated. Enough of a burst that streets and parking lots needed a few passes from salt trucks out before dawn. Flatbed trucks had a busy morning picking up fender benders. We've had such a mild winter, there was hope that this wasn't coming.
It's winter, it's coming. Everybody thinks, because we had a couple of weeks or a month of warm weather, it wasn't coming. Well, guess what? It's coming.
Buzz Bizzell takes what's coming in stride.
Hey, crazy Maryland weather.
The cold weather caused the tire pressure in Aaron Kahn's car to drop.
I'm actually from Detroit originally, so I think I'm ready. I think everybody else here is freaking out though.
No doubt, at 9 this morning, this grocery lot is full. Beverly, are you prepared?
I'm very prepared.
Beverly Richards just needed some potatoes and marvels at the crowds. Usually there are maybe 15 cars out here. When you look around now, what do you see in this lot?
Panic.
A lot of cars.
A lot of cars and a lot of panic.
A panic scene inside this grocery in Lutherville. Pallets of salt, gone. Fresh meat, already sold. Bread, they're hoping the supply truck arrives soon. Oh, back now live, here's the secret. Go early or go really, really late. The time right as people are getting off work till, say, 10 o'clock tonight, that is when it's going to be really busy. And, of course, it's going to be busy all day again tomorrow. Let's hope everyone stays safe. I'm Mike Hsu, WJZ Eyewitness News, reporting live. Back to you, Jess, on TV Hill.
Thanks, Mike. And with a major winter storm on the way, stay with WJZ and the First Warning Weather Team. We'll keep you updated on the latest forecast, when the snow could start falling and how much we could see.